Let's divide 428 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with the first digit of 428. We bring down the 4 to get started. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 from 4, leaving us with 0. No remainder here. You're doing awesome, we solved the first part. Time to move on to the next digit. Great job, now we look at the next digit, which is 2. We bring down the 2, next to our remainder 0. How many times does 2 fit into 2? Just 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2, exactly. Subtracting 2 from 2 gives us 0. Still no remainder. You're on a roll, we're getting closer to the answer. Let's tackle the last digit. Last one, we bring down the final digit, 8. We've got 8, let's see how many times 2 fits into 8. 2 fits into 8 exactly 4 times. Check it out, 4 times 2 is 8, spot on. Subtracting 8 from 8 leaves us with 0. We finished with no remainder. Woohoo, you nailed it. We've divided all the digits. We've reached the end of our division journey. So 428 divided by 2 is 214. Great job, everyone. We tackled 428 divided by 2 step by step and found our answer is 214. Remember, every long division problem is just a series of smaller, manageable steps. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video on Let's Stud.